Hey guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are staying safe in your houses. And today, what we're going to talk about is how an ultrasonic sensor works, what it is, what its application, all that stuff about ultrasonic sensors. Also, quick note, nearly half of you are watching this right now haven't subscribed to the channel. So if you would subscribe, it would mean a lot to us. And we're trying to build like a DIY enthusiast community over here. We'd like to provide the content that you would want from us. And this video is a little different than all the other how this works and all that stuff. We have tried something little different in this video. So if you like this, leave it a like and also comment down below what other type of content would you want to see from us. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video. Ultrasonic sensors are sensors which emit sound waves at a frequency high enough for humans that we can't hear it. Can you hear that? Probably an ultrasonic sound going by. So the pins that it has is a VCC, ground, echo and trigger. VCC, we all know VCC, we just connect 5 volts of supply to it, and always remember to ground your sensors, because if you don't ground an ultrasonic sensor, it's not gonna emit sound anymore. There are 2 other pins, that is the echo and the trigger. You see this sensor right here? You see these 2 things? Yeah, those are the echo and the trigger. Yeah, this sensor sort of looks like a boombox, like just someone holding it like that. The echo and the trigger, what are they? The echo is the one which emits the sound waves, and the trigger is the one which receives those sound waves. Like an IR sensor which emits IR light and receives that IR light back, the echo and the trigger work in a similar way of a transmitter and a receiver. So the ultrasonic sensor has some special features. The supply voltage of an ultrasonic sensor is 5 volts and the supply current is 15 milliampere. The modulation frequency is 40 hertz. The output can be 0 to 5 volts. It has a beam angle of maximum 15 degrees, and the distance it can measure is from 2 centimeter to 400 centimeter with an accuracy of 0.3 centimeters. Communication is positive TTL pulses. So the way an ultrasonic sensor works is that it emits short, high frequency pulses at regular intervals. They propagate in the air at the velocity of sound. There is an object in front of the ultrasonic sensor. The sound waves will be reflected back from the echo to the trigger, and the ultrasonic sensor will compute the distance according to the time span it took for the waves to reach back. Ultrasonic sensors are excellent at suppressing background interference. Virtually all materials which can reflect sound can be detected by an ultrasonic sensor. Like, it doesn't depend on the color of it, or if it's opaque, or if it's transparent or not. Sound doesn't discriminate that way. It just bounces back off objects. Some of our sensors can even resolve the signal at an accuracy of 0.025 millimeters. Ultrasonic sensors can even see through dust-laden air or ink mists. Even thin deposits on its membrane doesn't impair its function. Some of you probably might have the doubt how to calculate the distance. Do you remember like the basic formula that we used in school to find out the distance between 2 objects? Yes, distance is equal to speed into time. This sensor calculates the distance using this basic formula itself. Speed of sound in air is 343 meters per second, but it differs in different mediums. Imagine yourself running normally or like in a race, versus in the water, or versus on like proper like sand. Your speed will vary in different mediums as well, similar to how the speed of sound will vary in different mediums. Total distance is 343 times the time of height of echo pulse divided by 2. The reason why this whole formula is divided by 2 is because the signal travels from the sensor to the object, bounces back and reaches the sensor again. So distance, you just have to know the one-way time, so you just divide it by 2. So now that we know how it works, how it calculates the distance, what it is, let's know some applications where the ultrasonic sensor is used. The ultrasonic sensor can be used to avoid obstacles. If you build a robot, you can have an ultrasonic sensor attached to it and it will avoid obstacles. It is used to measure distance within a wide range of 2 centimeter to 400 centimeter. It can be used to map the objects surrounding the sensor by rotating it. And also it can find out the depths of places like wells, pits, etc. because the waves can penetrate through water. We've also made a video on how to interface the ultrasonic sensor with the Raspberry Pi. You can check it out right here. And that's it. That's what an ultrasonic sensor is, how it works, what are its applications. We just tried something different today, and if you like this video, leave it a like and share it with your friends. And also comment down below what other type of content would you want to see from us. Also subscribe if you already haven't. We're trying to build a DIY community here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.